today, Jeremy?
Yeah.
November 5th, out at AR 320, Artificial Reef 320. Just got one sheephead on the boat. Jeremy's got two keeper black bass. Only ones out here, as you can see.
Only crazy folks out here.
Only crazy folks out here. Supposed to be 6-foot waves on 5 seconds. As you can see, the weatherman did not earn his paycheck today. It's not great, but not bad. Try a piece of shrimp.
Yep. Coming to it. Lure them in.
Yeah, where's it at?
They're all over here. Dangling the meat in front of them. Maybe dangling the vomit here in a minute. Got it. Yeah, boy.
Good one?
No, stupid man. That's a baby. Smallest one. He felt way bigger at the beginning. He felt way bigger. He must have been running 100 going by the bit.
About looks like 13. Close. 12 and a half, probably. Trying a little spade fish action. Where'd they go? You see them? There they are.
There they are.
Oh, he's taking it. He's taking it.
You got the small one on it. Big ones went right by you like you weren't even there.
I got a fishing frenzy. Got him.
Yeah.
Oh! There he is again. There's a big one.
Nancy, hold steady, grasshopper. Good job. You mean?
That's something big, Jeremy.
Yeah, it is. It's big, ain't it?
Oh!
Ah, old rusty, busty hook.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you gave him tetanus.
Probably. That was something big. Is that a good one? What happened?
Got myself hooked.
How you doing the?
Big crab.
You doing the buffet platter?
Yeah.
Grouper. That's what that other thing was. Ah, hell. See him anymore?
Got what?
You see him anymore? We'll have this one ready.
I got a little one down here. I ain't seen him.
Yeah, that's a hell of a bite right there, Jerry. That's a sheephead bite. You missed it. You ain't got no crab.
I still got a crab, man. He didn't take it.
No, he ain't got no crab. He's gone.
Crab.
Huh?
I still got crab.
You might have crabs, but you ain't got a crab on any of that line. It's gone. Say bye to that crabby. That was a sheephead bite.
I got nothing.
Yep. right, Mr. Daddy Sheephead. You might want to get the net ready on this one. Big bait, big fish. Here we go.
There you go. Get it.
Oh, it's a togfish. Hell yeah. That's a nice tog too. A nice tog. Toe tog.
Poo pow. Cha cha. And what you don't do is take your finger and stick it in that hole right there.
Right there. Yeah, that's a good eat right there now. I'll eat him.
There, buddy. Looky dookies. Steaming hole. Look at that.
Toe togs.
Get the toe with the hawk. No, I have not. You ain't seen nothing bite it. Maybe I was wrong. I must have blinked.
Already gone.
Yeah. Good golly, Miss Molly.
How'd I miss that one?
I don't know, you bent the whole boat moved.
How'd I miss that one? I hooked the shit out of it. Damn, hook's sharp.
Look, is that bent? Yeah, you got a little. That side action should make a difference there. It really should.
Damn, I got wobbly out here.
Sir?
It's getting wobbly out here.
It is. I'm getting my bearings right now.